there, welcome to my channel and welcome back to Missy's Kitchen PEI. I hope you're doing well today. We are going to be making something that was viral on TikTok last spring, and I don't have TikTok, so I just learned about this on YouTube. So I'm really anxious to make these baked oats. So I'm going to make two versions today. One's going to be chocolate and one's going to be raspberry. So why don't we get to and learn how to make these baked oats. Okay, to make these baked oats, you're going to need banana, raspberries, eggs, cocoa powder, some oat milk, chocolate chips of your choice, vanilla, maple syrup, rolled oats, some salt and some baking powder, and 2 ramekins that are sprayed with cooking oil. And you're also going to need a small blender or any blender that you have really. So I'm going to put everything in this blender except for the cocoa, because I'm going to split the batter, make a white baked oat with raspberries and a chocolate one. So I'll add the cocoa in to the last half of the batter. So for now, we're going to put the banana in and 2 eggs. Our milk. Vanilla, our maple syrup, and our baking powder, and you want 2 pinches of salt, and your oats, and then we're just going to blend this up in the blender, and I'll be right back to show you that. So we're going to go ahead and push the blender on high. Scrape the sides down. I am using quite a big blender top here. I'm just going to put it on one more time. That's it. Okay, so we're just going to split the batter between the 2 bowls. Should we get it all out? I think I put a little more in this one, so we'll just put some over here. That's about even, I think. Okay, and then to this one, I'm going to add the cocoa. And to the other one, I'm going to add some raspberries. I'm just going to get a spoon. And I'm just going to mix this cocoa in. There we go. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put a few chocolate chips. And then I'm gonna stir that again. And then a few chocolate chips on top. Love our chocolate chips. And then for the raspberry one, I'm just gonna put those raspberries in the bottom. And then I'm gonna put a few raspberries on top. There we go. So we'll go ahead and put our baked oats into the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Just keep your eye on it. Every oven is different. And we'll be back when they're all baked. So our baked oats are out of the oven. It smells divine in here. And I can't wait to taste these because they're supposed to be healthy and they don't look healthy. So let's go ahead and give them a taste test. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the raspberry one first. This is still really hot. Let's get a good piece. And that's what it looks like, still steaming. Mmm. This is so good. It is so hot. Very, very good. Very cake-like. This cannot be healthy. Mmm. That raspberry in here is so good. I can taste a bit of the vanilla. I can't taste the oats at all, really, but so, so good. So let's taste the chocolate one. Ooh, hot, hot. Oh, this looks so good. There we are. It's very cake-like. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, mm-hmm. This does not taste healthy at all. It really is so good. I don't want to burn my mouth. Mm. This is divine. So, so good. I know some people eat this for breakfast, but it's perfect. I would probably eat it in the afternoon. I'd probably make them in smaller ramekins for myself, but this is spectacular. Please, please try these at home. You probably have a lot of stuff in your cupboards already. Now I know why they were so famous on TikTok. Absolutely divine. I don't know if I could choose one. I like them both. Although the chocolate one is really rich and does not taste like it's healthy. It tastes like the total opposite. It tastes like there's tons of sugar in it. My new favorite treat. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now. Hmm.